Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use MediaFire files. First, you will need to create a free account or simply log in to your existing one. Once you are on your dashboard, locate and click the prominent Upload button. You can then select files directly from your computer or conveniently drag and drop them into the designated upload area. Watch the progress bar, and in just a few moments, your files will be securely stored. Once your files are uploaded, managing them is straightforward. Head over to your file manager, where you can see all your content. To keep things neat, you can easily create new folders and then move your files into them. This helps categorize everything efficiently. You also have the option to rename files for better identification or delete any items you no longer need, ensuring your storage remains optimized. Sharing your files with others is a core feature of MediaFire. Simply select the file or folder you want to share, then click the Share button. This action will generate a unique, secure link. Copy this link and send it to anyone you wish to grant access. For added control, you can often set specific permissions, such as making the file read-only or even adding a password for extra security. Finally, let's talk about downloading files from MediaFire. If someone has shared a file with you, simply click on the provided link. This will take you to the file's dedicated page. Look for the prominent Download button, usually a large green button. Clicking this will initiate the download process to your computer or mobile device. Just confirm where you want to save the file, and it will be ready for use in moments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.